I'm Joel Meskin, Vice President of Community Association Insurance and Risk Management. One of the frequent questions that we are asked are, can you provide us with examples of non-monetary claims? We find that probably 85%, if not more, of the claims that we see in the community association directors and officers context are non-monetary claims. Basically, people are not asking for monetary damages. What they're asking for is that the board or the association do or not do something that they believe was inappropriate. For example, they may say that an election was wrong and they want you to have a new election. They may say that your decision on an architectural variance request was wrong, so they want you to change it. Or you have a neighbor who was approved for some architectural variance, and they basically say, you know, that was not appropriate. We want you to basically tell the next door neighbor that they have to take down that, Buddha in the front yard because that doesn't comply with the guidelines, or, take down that fence with barbed wire on the top because it doesn't comply with the guidelines. So there are a lot of things that really don't have anything to do with the individual making a complaint being damaged, but that they moved into the association to protect a certain lifestyle, and that lifestyle includes the way the association looks. And really, why does this issue of monetary and non-monetary claims matter? And the key is, since we see most of the claims being in the nature of non-monetary, the biggest issue is there are a lot of policies out there in the directors and officers world that do not provide coverage for non-monetary claims. So one of the very first things you need to do is ask your community association insurance professional, does the D&O policy provide coverage for non-monetary claims? Because if it doesn't, then right there is a deal breaker, and either you need to get a different policy or a different broker. And that's really the import of a non-monetary claim.